The Boyer model of scholarship is an academic model that extends what it means to be a scholar. It is beyond what most may think about when we say scholarship, like conducting research and writing papers. One of the primary goals of scholarship is to be a contributor to your professional discipline. The Boyer model considers other types of work that academics and professionals do that positively contributes new knowledge and service to the field. Although the Boyer model is primarily used in academic fields like higher education, we can use the model to consider how the work that we do as instructional designers are works of scholarship that contribute to the field. Let's take a look at the 4 domains of the Boyer model of scholarship. The scholarship of discovery. Scholarship in the discovery domain creates new knowledge through traditional research approaches. This domain is most closely related to what we may consider research and scholarship. It focuses on creating new knowledge through the inquiry and experimentation process. An example of an inquiry research question from the scholarship of discovery. What effect does social media platforms have on affective and cognitive development of adolescents? What could it look like? Publishing in peer-reviewed journals and platforms, producing creative works within the instructional design domain, developing theories, approaches, or models for future research or studies. The scholarship of integration. Scholarship in the integration domain uses knowledge and interprets the knowledge across disciplines in order to bring new insight. This domain focuses on taking what is known, critiquing the knowledge, and contextualizing the knowledge by using it across disciplines to better understand how it influences and impacts the whole. An example of an inquiry research question from the scholarship of integration: will immersive training through VR have a positive impact on skill development for automotive assembly line workers? What it could look like. Preparing a literature review of other works of scholarship, writing books or chapters that have instructional designers as a primary audience, professional development workshops for a multidisciplinary audience, participating in podcasts as a subject matter expert, active participation on an interdepartmental committee, collaborating with teams and SMEs to create a master course. The scholarship of application. Scholarship in the application domain seeks to engage with knowledge in order to be of service to the public and the profession by addressing discipline-specific challenges. This domain focuses on translating the field's theories into actionable behaviors and practices that are useful to the fields as professionals. Example of an inquiry research question in the scholarship of application. What are the threshold activities needed for ID professionals to have competence and confidence to consider themselves experts? What it could look like. Writing a position paper or a white paper. Serving industry or the government as an external consultant. Assuming leadership roles in professional organizations. Mentoring less experienced professionals in the ID field, thus contributing to their professional growth. Expert presentations to groups. Scholarship of teaching and learning. Scholarship in the teaching and learning domain studies teaching and learning models and practices to optimize the learning experience. This domain focuses on using one's deep understanding and expertise to transform and extend the knowledge through the teaching and learning process. An example of an inquiry research question from the scholarship of teaching and learning. How could we change the structure of online discussion prompts to encourage more learners' engagement throughout the term? What could it look like? Advancing teaching and learning theory through work-based research and projects, developing and testing instructional media resources and tools, designing and implementing an assessment system. In conclusion, the Boyer model of scholarship emphasizes the importance of professional development and encourages you as a practitioner scholar to think creatively and explore diverse, innovative ways of approaching and sharing your work.